actually being someone who holds a couple patents, it lasts about 20 years. And in the course of that 20 years, you have to keep updating shit. Meaning update your patent number. Excuse me.
That's crazy.
Here's my thing, all right, with the whole FDA thing. So if the FDA passes and approves a drug, and then several years down the road, you hear about this class action lawsuit about a particular drug. I mean, let's be real, it's out there.
Mm-hmm.
What the hell is good is the FDA then? It's just a question I'm asking. Because you've given these companies the right to put their product on the market. And the next thing you know, you're hearing about people who, in some cases, worst cases scenario, they're losing their lives behind these products that were supposed to be FDA approved and FDA certified and all the stuff that comes along with that. But then, like I say, you hear about these major lawsuits that come some years down the line. I just don't get it. Somebody please explain that to me.
Personally, I don't think it really needs to be explained. Because I not only say that because with any drug that's out there, you have to have a test group, and this test group, however they use it, from my understanding, I'll say, is you get people from different populations, different demographics to volunteer for these studies and stuff like that. And, that's how it's done. But the wild thing is, although you grab people from different economic classes, racial classes, and all this, that, and the other, that mimic the population as a whole, you still have unique situations that you cannot foresee. And I think that goes into the bigger picture of, when people have a problem with medications in general, or even vaccines, people don't want to they don't want to accept the fact that everything out there has a degree of testing, and without testing, we'll never know. But everybody, everywhere on this entire planet is a fucking test dummy. Everybody. Nobody is exempt. And I only say that because although we may not hop on pharmaceuticals per se, they are putting shit in our food all the time. And you never know what you are putting into your body unless you grow it your damn self.
Check.
But
excuse me.
Yeah.
The thing about it is this, right? We appoint people, or say we appoint people to look out for the best interests of the general public. And these people or organizations only looking out for their own pockets. Excuse me. Their own pockets. Let's stop bullshitting about it. Because the shit that they allow into our foods, most European countries don't allow into their food. There are numerous of countries around the world that they just don't let it fly because they're not in it for the money, they're in it for their people. And when I think about all the BS that gets away, or companies are allowed to get away with in this country is sickening. Because again, they're looking at